Hello everyone, my name is Chioma and welcome to my channel and the review video of BLAZEFUNNELS. BLAZEFUNNELS is an app produced by Shawn Josiah and is a funnel builder software that creates proven-to-convert affiliate funnels that are automatically connected to offers on ClickBank with the affiliate IDs of users specific to top 5 niches. Yes, today that is what Shawn is saying about this software that he has put together. So guys, if this sounds like something you like, stick with me as I'll go into details whilst also giving you a full demo of how this works. And as usual guys, don't forget to click the bell icon down below for notification, leave a comment and click the like, share, subscribe button as well. And guys, today also I have some of my awesome bonuses that I've added. Yay! So I know that a lot of us really love the bonuses that I do add. So today I shall be giving out 5 awesome bonuses, provided you click on the link that is in the description box below. It brings you to this page. This is actually my bonus page, guys. Yes, and I have all these awesome bonuses today to offer to you guys. But before I go into details about this bonuses that I'm giving out today, let me take you guys quickly to the sales page. Let's see what Shawn is saying about this software. So he's saying that for the first time ever, I'm letting you steal my 7-figure business. So you press one button to clone my $1.2 million super funnels with free built-in 247 traffic and sales. So this says no recurring fees, no experience, no tech skills, no extra expenses required. And these right here are the features of this app. So you he said you can't mess this up because it's done for you. So zero experience required, built-in, pretty much what I've already mentioned, and your super funnel runs on complete autopilot. Absolutely no extra fees. All right, and also you have 1 year money back guarantee, like he stated here, 365-day money back guarantee. So guys, you get, even if you purchase the front end and within 1 year it's not working as promised, you can actually be refunded. This is what Shawn is promising today. Right, let me quickly take you to the steps. These are the steps, guys. So 3 steps to deploy this software. Of course, you get to purchase it, then you clone. Say press the clone button inside the dashboard to copy their proven to convert super funnels. In a minute, guys, I'm going to take you to the members area so that you can see actually how this works. And then the third step, you get to activate it. Now I have shown you the features, I've shown you the steps. I'm going to take you guys quickly to the bonuses, but before, because he has added 5 awesome bonuses as well, but before then I'm going to show you guys other features that you get to enjoy once you purchase this app, guys. So here it says, of course, this is the software. Once you purchase, you have access to the web app, and then the second one will be the his $1.2 million super funnels. You have access to it, and then the built-in traffic, and of course he has trainings also. And then the fifth one, of course, is going to be the done for you hosting that he is promising. Right, let me take you to the bonuses, guys. So the first one that he has added today is called the $1,493 a day jumpstart internet marketing kit. The second bonus is $0 to $500 a day in 30 days. And then the third one is $486.23 per day, set and forget blogging system. So this will be good for bloggers. And then the fourth bonus is 30-day list explosion income. And the fifth is the 60 seconds funnel profit mastery. So guys, I have shown you 5 bonuses that he has added. Speaking of bonuses, let me quickly take you guys to my own bonuses today that I've added, guys. So these are mine. So the first one is, of course, a hack on affiliate marketing secrets, and then the second one, a hack that teaches you how you can build a buyer's list. The third one will be a hack on how to build email lists. It's actually an email list building blueprint. And then the fourth one, of course, will be the list building on steroids. So once you build your list, this will teach you how you can accelerate your list, more like putting it on steroids. So exploding it. And then the fifth one, of course, you have access to all the vendor bonuses. Yes, guys, remember that the clock is ticking, and I'm promising you guys that once you purchase within this time frame right here, all these bonuses that I've mentioned, 10 of these bonuses, you will have access to all of them. But once this timer runs out, it's no longer a guarantee that you have access to all these bonuses that I've mentioned. So guys, the earlier the better. And remember also that if you're purchasing through my link and you signed in through JVZoo, guys, through Warrior Plus, something like this pops up. So all you need to do is to click on the blue button where it says access affiliate bonus. Click on it, and then all my bonuses shall automatically be added. If it's through JVZoo that you signed in, where the red arrow is pointed at, guys, click on that box and all my bonuses shall be added. Yes. And then let me take you guys to those sales, the prices and the upsells. So with just the front end, which is $17, you have access to 10 awesome bonuses today, 5 of mine and 5 of Shawn's. And remember, you also have access to the software and the training modules. But if you upgrade to the deluxe version, which is $47, so you'll be able to unlock over 500 more templates from their preloaded landing pages. And then the upsell 2 will be the unlimited funnels, which is $47 also. So you'll be able to create as many funnels as you like and host. And then the third one, which is the done for you funnels and products, is $197. So you'll be getting fully done for you funnels with pre-selected top offers on ClickBank in all the 5 niches. And then the upsell 4, which is the high ticket maximizer, is $97. So that will equip you with the how-tos and to get high ticket commission. The fifth upsell, which is the unlimited traffic booster, is $167. So this will allow you ride on their traffic sources. And then the sixth upsell, which is the franchise licensor, is $497. So with this upgrade, you get the license to sell, resell their income engine as your own and keep the profits for yourself. The seventh upsell, which is the passive income masterclass, is $47. This upgrade equips you with skills to generate passive income through their 7 specially selected multiple streams of income masterclass. And then the 8th upsell is also a multi-streams of income masterclass. That is $47. So you get the you'll be equipped with the skills to generate more than 1 stream of income through their 7 specially selected multiple streams of income masterclass. So guys, these are the upsells and then the prices that I just mentioned, and I've also shown you guys the bonuses that I included and the ones included by Shawn. Yeah, if this sounds like something you like, guys, do not forget to click on the link that is in the description box below, and if you know someone that this will benefit, do not forget to share. So let me take you to the members area. So this is the members area, guys. This is what it looks like. And once you sign in, you have access to this members area. So you can access the home, the tutorial, you can create campaigns. You can see the ones you've created already, and then the money pages, the leads, the statistics, the traffic, and all that. So let's take a listen to Shawn and see what he has to say.
Hey guys, Shawn Josiah here, and thank you for purchasing our product. All of your trainings can be found in this membership area, but before you dive right in, I would like to invite you to a very special community that we have built. And this community is called the Perpetual Income 365 community, where we make a full-time income sending simple emails. Yes, you heard that right. So we specialize in list building, and all you gotta do is to send emails to make a full-time income. So in fact, we have got tons of testimonials coming in, about 400 written testimonials by happy customers. And this point in time, because you have purchased our product, we have secured a spot for you in our community. But what you need to do is to activate your spot by clicking on the button below, and you'll be brought to a page where I will share with you guys more description and more information about what Perpetual Income 365 is all about. So without further ado, guys, before your spot expires, please click on the button below, sign up now, and I'll see you on.
So guys, that's actually the guy that put this app together, like I said earlier. So with this bar chart, you will be able to see your campaigns, the money pages. This is more like a snapshot of everything that is on the left hand side right here. These are the emails, your leads, your recent leads, and then this would be the money pages right here. It's in the sales page and the test and all that, and then this will be your campaigns, guys. So basically that's all it is. There isn't much right here. All right, this is all I've got to show you guys today. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to click on the link that is in the description box below. It takes you to my page, guys, and you'll have access to all my bonuses like I mentioned. And also, guys, if you know somebody that this will be of help to, do not forget to share, guys. Send out. And also, thank you so much for sticking with me, for watching, for sharing my videos, and also for purchasing through my link. You stay safe, guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.